sila sa aking bangay bago mapapahamak sa kanilang mga kamay.
Tanginom.
Napagkabuti niyo sa akin. Natural. Anak kita. Walang mga magulang na gustong
It's been a long, long journey.
Ano pinagsisisi ko lang? Hindi ko agad tinako ang aking pagtitinyamang sa'yo.
Thank you for the thumbs up.
Sana nagkasama kamay ng matagal
Ouch.
na panahon. Wala kang dapat pagsisihan pa. Magkasama na tayo. At kahit sa maikling panahon, masaya ako na nakilala kita sa ama. Nandito nung talaga sa election lawyer. Sige, sunod yan sa akin naman. Pwede yan. Kailangan natin pag-usapan ang ating election. Okay? Yes, pa. Let's go.
Nasasanay na ako, nagsasawa na ako. Hi, ganda. Hi, Charlatan. Hello, hello. Kumusta?
Tama si Lolo. Kailangan natin malaman ang tulingan doon sa election. Huwag natin sayang ang tiwala ng boto na binigay ng mga tao. Bayaw, gusto ko yung ipaalala sa inyo. Nakatali sa tingkat
Gusto ko nang sabihin na mahal pa kita, di halata. Kaya pasensya na, pasensya na. Gusto ko nang sabihin na mahal kita. Kaya pasensya na. Thank you sa nag-thumbs up. Salamat. Salamat sa nag-thumbs up. Okay lang. Dito naka-duty na sa barko. Ilalim sa makina sa barko. Grabe nun. Hi, James Myers. James Myers. Where are you from, James Myers? Myers. Thank you for the thumbs up. Jerome. Jerry, I have asked you before English. Jerry, I have asked you before English. South and Arkansas. Where Arkansas? It's USA, located in USA. James. We spoke before a while back. What?
Isipin mo rin ang sarili mong kaligayahan. Hindi yung pagiging nakasalin eh. Sabay.
Sabi ko sa'yo, huwag mong iiwan mag-isa si Mika. It's okay. Okay. 8:45 p.m. What next?
How are you? I'm fine, James. How about you? How are you?
kasi ako sanay ng suot.
Pwede kita matabi dito. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for 4 million viewers now. Hi for the 5 people. Ayan na. Kaya kung good. I am starting to grow my channel. Oh, that's great. You need to do it. Happy YouTubers, vloggers, welcome to the world. Vloggers. That's great. If I have a good my during English I said. Thank you for 5 people. Thank you so much. Maybe someday it will help me travel the world. Yes, me too. Hi, me too. That's my dream, to travel the world. Travel. I love travel. I am saving for a boat. Saving for a boat. Wow.
Friday na. Secret ko, crispy fry, glazed chicken, crispy sarap.
Wait.
Fry, chicken go. Para sa'yo. Sarap, diba? You want more?
Miss, kailangan mo gabsaga.
Check it out, my Friday feast platter.
And will film my adventures. Yes, me too. I love that. I love that vlog. So I plan it. I hope someday I will buy a good cover of the phone. Someday. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't understand myself when I do live. I fall asleep. When I'm not doing live, it's fine. I'm okay. It's really weird. Thank you for the 42 million here. Thank you so much. Manny Fernandez, tulog na gabi na. Tulog na gabi na. Salamat, James Myers. Right now, I'm going with my art and I'll have gather a following. Yes, that's it. It will happen. I will follow you, James Myers. Oh my god. Manny English. Manny said you need to sleep. It's already night. So you unwanted to say hi. Yeah. How many followers do you have, James, now? 12. You need to to upload more videos. 14.
Ay, bago pa rin dyan.
14 followers.
May 3 times na gustinis, kitang-kita. Ang puti. Dapat malinis. Dapat kahit. Morning side.
Nasasanay na ako. Kuya Gab, ano naman tayo dun mo kayo mga kapiyas? Kaya na nito pa. Kaya Gab, ba't ang tabi? Kaya Gab, bala mong tabi ang saksak sa daan ng sulkon ko sa pasagutan mo. Ngayon, dahil kumakuryente ka. Hindi, ay pagkakapot dito sa likod. Sa lunar, pagkakutan. Hindi ka. Ay, sus, mana. Pagkakapot dito.
Sobrang sakit. Panatag sa ang also available. Balance sa rheumatic and body pain free from
I am putting in the work, but I am not pretty or thinner. Okay. Okay, that's it. See, you know, so you know. Now I know. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So you don't wanna be a pizza guy. I have 2 channels in fact. What is your next channel's name? What's your your other channel's name? James Myers. My kulay. It's James. Okay, it's James. Okay. How old are you, James? No.
Pero si Imani ba, kilala niya ang target subject natin, si Ramon Sanggol. Alam niya ang mga kilos ng dalawang ito. Kaya siya ang nalalapat na magiging operasyon. Pero meron tayo alam mo, Vera Victorino, ay mga pagkakataon nakakapagman.
Sir, I should have been more effort. That's a number. I am 55. Okay. Oh, you're 55. That's great age. Great age, James. Ako lang po ba?
Just do as we say. Yun ang difference. We always get people. Magiging kasi mga sinasabi mo, baka sa susunod, pahiyan mo kita sa nakapasok. Yes, sir. Very good. Pero, kung kasunod, nakahanda lang ako makapagsulit ka sa mga kompirero. Pinapangako ko, ngayon ka na magtatapos ang kawalang yan ng pamilya mo. Ngayon, marami siya namin gawin sa buwan. Pero pagkagulat ng maayos, napangako ko sa'yo, tutulungan kita ang bukas na tato mo. Pangako ko yan. Salamat na yun.
Nakatila. Hi, Insan! Kumusta? Long time no hear. Busy. Good evening. Good morning sa'yo dyan. Yadi. Oran, didi. Kape. Kape, tayo. Kumusta na? Aray. Malapit na. Kunting tiis na lang. Magkikita na tayo. Yes, super busy sa life. Kahit for the economy. Kailangan for the future. Thank you sa nag-thumbs up. Gardane saying hi. Gardane. Wow, lapit na. Super lapit na. Super lapit na. James, what? If you really want to check if it's only it's only 5 followers. Okay, I will I will subscribe you. Oh my god. Lotang na. Good evening, beautiful Cheryl. Hi, Chester Exxon. Good evening. Excited na akong makita. Excited mo. Excited na. Makakaipon na tayo ng damihan na natin. Kaya Cheryl, can you not see the message on your live chart is here? Cheryl, can you not see? I see the message. I read. Can you see the message on your live chart is here? I read. I read this. Excited na. Okay, didn't you? Good luck and son. Enjoy both of you. Cannot to see you both. What? Yes, excited na. Yeah. Excited much na. Can't wait to say both of you. Me too. Can't wait to say. Musta si Matmat? Mali-mali na ang English ko. Overuse na ata. Okay. Di naman yan pagalingan ng ng grammar . Diba, dyan, di naman pagalingan. Dito lang sa atin yung mga perfectionist yung mga tao, diba? Tapos, mali-mali naman ng ano nangyayari sa buhay nila. Char. Okay naman is huling siya ngayon, ah. Okay lang yan at naiintindihan naman. Ang Consuelo, tamang-tama yung grammar, tapos ano siya, hindi na maintindihan. Char. Susana ko, susawa na ako. I found love for me. Gusto isayaw ng matagal. Let's eat siomai. Thank you. Salamat. Nagsasawa na ako. Sounds like you have big plans. Yes, so many big plans, so many goals. Nagsawa ka na. sa kanya, charot. Nagsawa na sa mga ano. Hindi ko nababanggit na ang words na ito, kabi ano naman ito, ano naman sa tanisipon ng sayo, masabi siya, ano naman, maski diri man siya, iba manugang. Ano na lang nato, ito dito sa istorya. Istorya na lang kita dito sa luyo.
Let's go! With aging, nagkakamuscle decay, which leads to higher risk of illness.
Oo nga. How many days na ang rain dyan? Ano, okay na. Kagaya na yan. Mauran. Tapos makalipas ang few hours mainit, few hours sunny, few hours rainy. Ganun naman ang routine. Rainy, sunny. Kaya bukla din na tabi dito. Kaya nangakurog na ako. Thank you for the 8 people here. Thank you so much. Baha na naman. Flood na sa Manila. No? Or Davao ba yun? Oo, dahil sa flood control. Flood control na yan. Nagbabaraha na. Dire bang pala flood control ang nangyari? Lalo nagbaha. Ano ba yun? Ginagamit lang pala yung na words na yun sa atin. Paiba yung Philippines. Only in the Philippines. Oh my gosh. Thank you for joining, guys. Thank you for watching. Natulog na ako. May kulay. I need love. Gusto ko yung gigising ating ano. Iba na, no? Iba na naisip, ano. Gising ang aking ulirat.
Sabi mo,
Babagsak ang lawas ko. Di ko naiintindihan. I have to go. Have a great day. Thank you, James Myers. Thank you for joining here. God bless. Take care.
hindi totoo to.
Good morning there
Hindi
and
mo gagawa na rin.
wherever you are. Halik. Kwentuhan tayo ng nakakagising. Sige, sige na ano pa. Kwento ka na ano sa para maano. Para kapasok sa aga. Day of saga.
Hindi mo tayo tanay mo.
Kwentuhan to the max.
Wala kayo sa akin pa ba? Ilan ako ang nanay ko.
I want to nag-work ka whole day. Whole day work. Nag-work. Whole day work. Yes, nag-work. Yes, and sun off ako tomorrow. Sa kabila kita.
May nangyayari sa bahay ko.
Oo. Sana yung kita. Work ka ngayon. Tapos bukas niyo. Kaya kung iwanan ka, di na sana lalapit pa. Yes, son, work today. Work today, day of tomorrow, 1 day off for this week, but next week back to normal. Oh my God, yay! Ano dyan, no? Work is life there. Pay the bills. Bills is life. Barang nagtataba na ako. Nagdarag ko na nga yung mga braso ko. Taba na ako. Dati buto-buto ko bagay niyo dati. Yan, ano ko, nagluluwas na ang may taba-taba na ako. Mada na. Yes, and son, work is life. Bills is life, yes. Bills is life. Nagtaba na ako. Oo nga, nagkataba ka na nga. Talaga, insan. Hiyang ka na. Direct na ka makulog sa ulo, ha. Hello, my beautiful darling. How are you? I'm still beautiful. Joke. Salamat sa thumbsack. Kung kaya kong iwanan ka, di na sana lalapit ka. Walang sakit ng ulo, ganon. Means no so much stress. Yes, tama. You look not so stressed nowadays, not like before. Oh, tama. So much stress before. Grabe. Grabe stress dati. Stress. Nakakapatay. Papatayin mo yung sarili mo eh. Sarili mo mismo yung papatay sa stress. Pag mahina talaga. Wala eh. Diba pag tinamaan ng stress, nakakapangan. Kahit wala kang sakit, magkakasakit ka. Manghihina lahat, parang hindi nag-work yung immune system mo sa loob. Parang nag-lock, naglo-loading, gano'n. Tapos yung dugo mo, di na nag-circulate ng maayos. Kasi na-stress ka, parang di na nagdadaloy ng maayos yun. Ano pala yun, pektado yung natin. Kaya dapat relax, need to feel relaxed. Tapos kapag medyo may tawo na di anis na nagkada sa buhay mo, pakawalan mo, pabayain na. Gana. Diri kawalan kaysa magpermiyon doon. Pakulog sa ulo ng tak. Sa edad tanay niya, nagkakaedad na, pwede yung tamaging magma. Yes, and some stress gives a lot of diseases and pains sa buhay. Tama. I'm happy now. Maybe. Stress-free na. I'm happy na because healthy lifestyle. Yan. I'm gain weight na. Kaya Gab, ano mong saan? Bukla din na kuya. Thank you Kuya Gab. Salamat po. Galing talaga ng baby love. Love Gab ko gabi.
We were really together sa Montanesa.
Nagkaya ko
Para makabawi ka sa past na kapatid mo.
di na sana lapit ka. Mahal ka rin Bugiliw. There's a lot of seasons. Kuya Gab, ano naman tabi ito nagdaan ko? Okay lang kuya. Kuya Gab. Kuya. Kuya Gab.
Eh, gusto ako na dito. Hindi dapat lalo pa ako nadaan sa trabaho niyo. Pwede. Bakit?
Bakit? Hindi naiintindihan. Hindi pwede mag-isa si Mia. Dahil kapag birthday mo, di ba naalala mo na pinanganak ka?
Wala mo. Birthday.
Hindi pa ako tapos. Naalala mo, kapag pananakan mo. Naalala mo, yung nanay mo. Thank you! Mahihirapan siya kaya siguraduhin mo na okay siya. Kaya mga pinatalo ng mga bata, dyan mo na gawin.
Wait lang.
Naglahat ako. Eh, ikaw, ano
Thanks for uh, yes, insan, dapat maugma lang lagi. Tama. Insan, back to work na ako ha. Talk to you later. Yes, insan, stay who you are always. Say hi kila Papang Boy and Mama Guy. Miss ko na sila. Salamat, insan. Thank you so much sa pag-join. Talk to you later na lang. Sige, sige. Ingat. Alis na muna ako, insan. Sige, insan. Thank you so much sa pag-join. Good night na muna sa'yo dyan and good morning, team. Thanks for speaking English, Char. Good morning, Cheryl. How's your evening? Good evening, Cheryl. Hi, Stephen Martin. How are you? Thank you for joining here. My evening is good. Thank you for joining. You're welcome, team. I'm being sarcastic. Yes, always sarcastic. Sorry. Always sarcastic. Minsan yan. Grabe. Nakakapikon minsan. Okay. I don't speak English. Yes, sarcastic always. Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone.
Lahat na lang ng pagtulong ginagawa mo concern. Kanya ka talaga ka-pessimistic sa buhay mo.
Kasi Lydia, excuse me po. Kailan ko lang to sa isang patient po.
Kung kaya ko... Ano ninanayag mo, Gab?
Kajin ko nga si kuya ko at
Nagano ka mo? Kuya?
labanan nito dalpinita.
Nagano ka mo doon?
Kuyak.
Mamatay na Lord.
Pwede ba akong pamasa?
Mamatay na Lord.
Quiet a while. Just quite a while. Dinamitan ng aking minahal. Kung sino-sino at ilan lang ang nagtagal. Isa pa lamang ang buhay. Balikan ang nakalipas.
Yes, mo.
Balikan.
Meron bang dinosaur na?
Sa dinami-rami ng aking kapiling. Kung sino-sino ang umibig. I mix the language theme so you have idea what we are talking. Yes. May idea na siya kasi may English, Bicol, Tagalog.
Pagdating sa mga hives, may mga pamilya din sila. Di ba? Parang kayo rin ang pamilya.
Oh.
Pwede mamatay na Lord. Pwede mamatay. Mabait siya.
I almost put you in the timer. Huh? Why? Oh my god. Ouch. Why? Oh my god, I almost put you in the timer. Oh my god, ha?
Mabait si nanay.
My cousin?
Pero kay Bunso hindi.
Grabe naman talaga.
Si nanay kay Mark.
Baka ang host, ipuput mo rin yun. Baka si host, ganun din yung gagawin mo. La, 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 la. Ta, ta, la, la.
Para sa resistensya mo. Tapos Itong kaldereta, tama lang ang hang niyan. Pampagana. Kung ayaw mo ng malunggay, may ang palaya.
I'm sorry, Shell is just as bad.
Pasensya na ako kayo, ha?
Oh God. I will be bad more. More.
Pinapalayas ko na kayo.
You need to be careful.
Hindi pa nga
Team
umaasa.
Pearly.
Nastin mo na.
Team Pearly.
Ibang nanay
You need
yan, baka
to
ugat gamit ang
I will be
pinapakain
bad
sa'yo.
more. Team Harley. She speak where I don't know what she's saying.
Pasensya ko.
What she's saying? Team. Charot.
Salamat, ha? At pasensya na ako ulit.
Tatanggapin ko lahat ng sinabi mo pag kumain ka ng palakas. Kung okay lang
Oh my
sa'yo,
God.
para naman makapag-focus ka sa sarili mo. Tapos kung okay na saka kayo mag-usap.
Oh guys, night chatting to both of you. Gonna go or else I will be in time off.
Kung ano man ang pinagdaan,
Wala si Tim.
parte lang.
Bada ako sa ni time out pa. Hindi rin. Don't open.
Dahil nasa break mo yan, umilimusan mo yung anak ko ulit sa next life.
Thank you, Insan.
No problem.
No problem. No, if you speak English.
Ayoko na ako next life.
Oh my God. Why I regard again kila Papa ang boy and Mama I miss them so much. Thank you, Insan. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas. Sabi ni Tim, oh what the fuck? Ang haba naman ng Christmas nyo. September pala, nagpapatugtog na sa Christmas song. So, of course, start September. Christmas feel, the spirit of Christmas start September. So, oh my God. What the? Kap na wala. September pala, mapatugtog na sila. Oh, yes. Merry Christmas, everyone. Everyone here, Merry Christmas. No, it doesn't. No. Oh yeah, it's Christmas already. Miss it so much here, just few weeks yun. Kaya nga, dito, September, start Christmas. The spirit of Christmas is coming. Months, not weeks.
Ang Monday, nagiging Monday, Tuesday, tusok-tusok day, Wednesday, Thursday day, pabalik-balik na lang.
Limanding na yun. Start at November. Yeah, December only. Okay. Oo, December lang. Didi sa ato. Naku, September pa lang. Christmas is coming. Oh, ganda nga yan. Because the spirit of Christmas is love, sharing, forgiveness, and more on positive. Well, usually this start after Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving, something like that. Right now, Christmas is already in the Philippines. Oo nga ni. Ma, I, yes, I heard Christmas music playing there. Yeah. Start September, Christmas here. Yeah, end of November, Christmas will start. Yep. Nah, yesterday music start there. Yes, yesterday. Same, you should try Christmas in the Philippines. Way different here. Yeah, so much different. Christmas in the Philippines than US. Oh, very different. Big difference. Yes, I know. Yes, alam ko. Alam mo. Ang kulit eh. Kuya Gab, ano na? Please naman, Kuya Gab. Oh my God. I will be there soon. I will witness it. Yes. Kung kaya kong iwanan ka, pinasama na kita. Mardoke de la Fuerte, Tim and Charty is so funny. Why? Like, I'm pretty sure you will enjoy it, especially the New Year too. If you are in the city, no sleeping the whole time. Yes, no sleeping the whole time. Very different. Yeah, because we will be busy making a baby. I love it. I love it, Tim. You have a that's what she wants. I love it, Tim. That's why a lot of fireworks. Tim. Tim. A lot of fireworks. Good job, Tim. Tim Harley. Good job. Ang kulit. I thought you had to work. Me? Ang kulit talaga. Cheryl, they are so funny because they are good at making jokes. Yeah. No, okay. Yes, Mardoke de la Fuerte. That's right. Yeah, but my patient's not yet ready to take off and I'm bored. Ang kulit, no? Nakatinawa na lang ako. Mardoka really she wants a baby. Yes, I love babies. I want baby. Kulit. Hi, Charleston. Charity is a male, right? No, she's a woman. Charity wants a baby also. How you know? Same, you need to start fireworks when you see each other. So baby fireworks will come will come very soon. Ang kulit. Go, ano naman to go? Please, go. Bukla din agad. Para diretso na nayag mo.
Lang madali ako talaga.
Yes, I want a baby girl, but no one will make a fire. No one will make it a firework. Charity, I want to eat the food you had cooked. Oh gosh, I'm being nothing now. I should stop. I love it. It's fine. Oh na, English sa spoken dollar na kita na. Di naman masyado mild lang naman yan. Kami nga dito pagkakarawan, malala pa dyan. As in, malala. Many men there, Charity, that will give you a baby. Oh my god, so not so easy to find someone. Not easy to find. Huh. How old is Charity? 35. Oh no. No? Gab. No, I need to find a man who will love me truly. Hard to find. Yes, that's right. Need to find a man sincere, honest. I am lovable, caring, protective. No, walang bagahe. Meron pag may bagahe. May issue. Ayan. Faithful. Mapagkakatiwalaan. The first thing is mapagkakatiwalaan. Respectful yan. Ayaw na pala natin saan ang mapagkakatiwalaan. Ang hirap ko na. Mas I'm not good in cooking. I'm good in eating. Magpinsan nga talaga tayo. Cheryl, we are talking about you, huh? We're talking about me? Cheryl, you already have one. Oh my god. Yeah, I know. I mean my cousin. Well, I say to my cousin, she needs to find uh, need a trustworthy like that, respectful, sincere, something like that. Caring, lovable, protective, supportive. she don't need she don't need to work so hard because I'm 40 Mazan, I'm old. I thought you were talking about you. No. Ay, isa, ang galing naman ng Kuya Gab ko. Oh my God. Gabriel. Sarado mo yan, Gab, ha? Akain ano yun eh. Wala na. Gab. Unay ko. What happened? Gab. Gabriel. Ngayada na. Ngayada na. Gab. Okay, wala ano. Insarado mo. Kalimutan mo na medyo ano. Aray ko. Aray. Charles. I'm old. I'm 41. I'm 41. You're 41. I'm 41. Aray ko. Forty is not old. I'm 41. Okay, Charity, how tall are you? 3 feet 8 inches. Oh my God, Tim. Tim, if they are not going to stay with me, no, thank you. I have a baby boy already. If it God will, it will be. Yes, tama. In God's will, it will be. Team Harley, how to apply a chat administrator. I'm old. Tommy Young, hello there. Hi, Tommy Young. Tommy Young. I'm 5 feet. Team, same as Cheryl. We are same height, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, we're same height, Insan. We're same height. Long time no see, Tommy Young. Wow, Tommy Young. How are you today? I'm fine, Tommy Young. How about you? How are you, Tommy Young? Okay, guys, this is where the host goes to sleep. No, I'm not sleeping. Cheryl, are you going to sleep now? Would we come back tomorrow? Yes, you can come back tomorrow, Charles Mazan. I'm not yet sleeping. Well, you just 41. Maybe you are my lost destiny. Cheryl is 40. Yes, I'm 40 years old. 30. How to apply as a chat admin team? No need any Cheryl, sorry. Hi, Paul. It's 44. Hi, Paul. It's all good, Tim. Hi, Paul. Thank you, Charles Mason. Hi, sorry, busy time. It's okay, Paul. Thank you for joining now. New students starting at the university. Manic times. Manic time. See her eyes flicker. Oh my god. I try to watch videos later in the evening. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, Paul. Thank you so much. Hi, Cheryl and company. Thank you, Dr. Petrovic. Hi, Dr. Petrovic. Thank you for joining here. Okay, guys, nice chatting to all you guys. I had fun talking with you all. Gonna go work mood for now. Good night, Insan. Good night. God bless. Take care always. Night. Bye, Char. Thank you for joining, Char. Bye-bye. Ingat. God bless there. Grabe na pagkisa. Grabe na kisa. Kaya kong Bye, Charity Taker. Hoping to see you soon. Thank you, Dr. Petrovic. And in 3 minutes, the hotel will be fall asleep. Good night, sweet dreams, and 2:30 p.m. in the UK. Bye, Paulets. Good night, sir. I know. 2:30 in the afternoon. Thank you, Sir Paul, for joining here. Thank you so much. God bless. Kaya kong iwanan ka. When she puts her hands on her cheek, it's game. Bye, doctor. Thank you. It's game over. Kilala na ako eh. Wala lang ako. You know me more, Tim. You know me more, Tim. Bye, doctor. Thank you. Bye. From Carl. I'm not sleeping. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining. Thank you. See you later. See you next live. Bye. Todo. Bye-bye.